Gates open, they're up and racing. Pride of Cabanela draws for your lead. 9 Dragon moving up is Speedmaker, then moving up down on the inside is Spellbinder. In between runners, Monte, Napoleone. As they round towards the last 900 with his Speedmaker running on the outside. Pride of Cabanela. 9 Dragon is racing in third. By the rail is Spellbinder. Running on the outside, Peep is entry number 4, Monte Napoleone. And moving up by the rail is Mr. Lube. As they race towards the last 450. Pride of Cabanela, Speedmaker is by the rail. 9 Dragon running on the outside. By the rail is Spellbinder. Then on the outside, Monte Napoleone. As they swing for home, Pride of Cabanela leading the field, running by the rally. Speedmaker. 9 Dragon is on the outside. Monte Napoleone is Spellbinder is by the rail. Pride of Cabanela, 9 Dragon, then by the rail is Spellbinder and Speedmaker. And finally, it's going to be close between Pride of Cabanela and 9 Dragon. Then comes Spellbinder, Mr. Love, and Monte Napoleone.